We're here on March 2nd, 2017 with Mr. Luis Yoyanko, who has an announcement basically for the world to do the implementation of what he was, as a child, I understand,
Yes.
was given this initiative and this position to bring out the accounts for the purpose of humanity. So right now we're going to go ahead and get started. He's going to give what his mission and his divine purpose is for the entire globe. Go ahead, Mr. Yoyanko. Thank you.
Now, this is my proposal how to eliminate the global crisis and to eliminate all illegal activities, especially drugs, for all nations, and to reactivate all nations for their economic crisis. And the number one, we will restructure of loan of all nations, but we will all debts of nation back to zero. Then we will restructure of loan for the economic recovery of our nation. Then we will make a volume bank to support the crisis of the whole world also. Then this is the document, declaration of the demonetization of 72 currencies. Instead of the 72 currencies, we will push through the cashless account to eliminate all illegal activities. Then stop buying of all commodities because of oversupply, and stop buying, and then the restructure of loan for all nation, all accounts, and debts of nationwide should be back to zero. That is the most important. And we will have a
Getting into it, it's a declaration of demonetization of all 72 worldwide currencies. Stop buying of all commodities worldwide, especially AU, PT diamonds, and all kinds of boxes used for guarantee and backup to print currencies worldwide. To stop all kinds of trading or mirroring of GBC, BG, SBLC of any kind of bank instruments worldwide. All accounts and debts of all nations worldwide go back to zero after the total amount of declaration by all nations accordingly. Restructure of loans of all nations with 4% per interest per annum or yearly for maturity of 10 years, but the 30% is said for loans will be paid back by all nations by means of transfer or duplicating their different latest technologies in their country and implement them in the Philippines. And so, and the reasons why that you are going to demonetize or not allow the gold and then anything else to be sold is the oversupply, and then the infinite account and money should be used worldwide plus the global accounts, and then a bullion account will be constructed in the Philippines. Okay, give us an overview of how you were given this appointment.
this is appointment comes from him, because I'm very surprised that all assets and all these documents was on my custody now.
Yeah.
That's why I have also a book from all accounts worldwide. Then all accounts written in the book was already confirmed and verified by the UBS.
Confirmed and verified.
Confirmed and verified by UBS. Yearly, I have a copy of this book.
And these are the accounts.
Yeah. Listing of all accounts approved and confirmed by UBS. I have.
The ASBLP accounts, White Spiritual Boy accounts.
Yeah.
Okay. And you received this book by how? Who? The bank?
By sending us in different way. It was already come on my custody.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and these are the banks. Bank of America, all the way around the world.
Yeah, all around the
That's
world.
a complete book.
Yeah.
And obviously signed off on by the heads of state.
Yeah.
And the specific people who are involved. Okay, So
Yeah.
this is the book of the accounts. Now you were as a child, you said,
Yeah.
given divinely purposed this mission.
Yes.
Okay, so give a quick overview of that, and we'll go step by step of how we are to today and your announcement.
And this is begin when I was newborn, because on the time there is no electric on our place. But my mother and my father did not use any lamp on my head, because there is a star and lights on my head, even there is a darkness. Even there is no light, my head is very bright.
And that was
Yeah.
at birth.
Yeah, since
Okay,
birth.
in which there's some codes and things that are all tied into all of this. Okay, so then you were appointed in your position in what year? 1983, 1986. What was the actual year?
1980s, more or less 1980s.
In the 1980s.
Yeah, but before that time, I'm the one on the area of the Lemuria, the stock or the bullion bank where we place the office.
Okay.
Yeah,
And you're a cousin or somehow related to Marcos. Is that correct? Ferdinand Marcos.
My uncle is also a brother-in-law of F.M. Formerly, when
Okay.
they are still alive. But the keeper of the bunker was also relative of the old man,
Okay.
and I'm the one give a trust by the old man to hold the area and to control and to manage.
Okay. And that's Mr. Aguilera.
Yeah, Mr. Jaime Narvas Aguilar.
Okay. Next, the position of everything that is about to happen, the gold and everything else is under possession of yourself through Mr. Aguilera's
Yes,
ultimate control.
yes.
Give us the account number and the references that you had mentioned about 777 and how that system works and how all of that actually comes into play of what you described to me. If you can give me the account
Yes.
overview.
The mother account 003 UN 00330, it is also considered as a 77 account, because 7250 is when you get the 7, then the 25 is 7 and the 7. It means to say the 77 account, and QN 00330 is only one. All accounts 333 444 555 666 77 88899 and Alpha Omega was only one in one mother account now. That is the Queen of the Nation, or QN.
So QN
Yeah.
dash 000.
Yes, the ASBLP account. The
A-
reference of all account worldwide now.
Okay.
That is the infinite account, and to support that is the documents and funds that we will use to support the recovery of the whole world.
Okay, very good. Okay, so then what other supporting documents do you have referencing the implementation that's about to happen?
Yeah. This is the approval since September 11, 2007 by the Perpetual Source of Malta Limited. The 1.8 million tons and the 7,000 metric tons of the Perpetual Source of Malta of HSBC London and Hong Kong.
Okay, so that's a certificate
Yeah.
of 1.8 million
And this
metric
is,
tons and then 7,000 metric
and
tons.
this is the approval from Switzerland 2008, and it was already forwarded to HSBC New York.
Okay,
And this is the shield of 72 currencies, the E Pluribus Unum shield,
okay.
with chips inside the shield. Yeah, and this is attached on my personal history.
Okay,
And this is the picture of Manong Jaime Aguilar, and my picture appear on these documents. And already signed that we are very willing to support the economic crisis of the whole world.
okay,
And this is the sketch of the Lemuria, or Lemuria, the octopus, or the lost city. This is the backup that we will use to support the economic crisis.
okay. And the backup is held in the Octopus Tunnel. Can you describe the Octopus Tunnel and what you explained to me earlier?
The octopus tunnel has 7 legs, and in the end of every 7 legs, there is another 7 area in every end of the legs. It means octopus is 8 legs, but it is only 7. And the head of the octopus is the number 8.
Okay. And that is the master tunnel
Yes, the master,
holding the
yeah.
majority of the assets.
That is the main tunnel that we will use and the holding the all assets. And this is the signature and sealed by the emperor that the tunnel is existing and real. The FA certification
Mhm.
that the document is real and registered certification from the FA. And this is the another years that we declare it again. Complete documents.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the LOI,
Letter of instruction
letter of instruction
for redemption.
for redemption. Yeah. And it was
And that's
already
for the.
sealed.
This is the. What is this referencing in the
The
beginning?
letter of instruction.
For the Anbangaling Pupula.
Yeah. Ang bagong lipunan.
And what does that mean?
Ang new society.
Okay.
And this is the listing of different central banks worldwide,
Okay.
containing the how much metric tons that they have in every central banks.
Mm.
Yeah, it was also indicated here. All record and reference of all central banks
Central
worldwide.
banks worldwide. Got
Yeah.
it. Okay.
And this is the inventory of 1.8 million metric tons. Also, a stock from Lemuria.
Okay.
And this is the documents that the 77 account have. The secret book of redemption QN00330 consider the mother account or the 77 account. This is the original documents. And this is the signing of late President Marcos being a holder keeper of the 77 formerly.
Okay.
And this is the agreement. And this is a bills of the ABL that they cannot use because the backup is still intact. Yeah, the 50, the 20, the 100, the 10, the 5, and the 2. And the agreement of general agreement of Ferdinand Marcos during the time and other nation in London.
Okay.
And this is the supporting documents
Mm-hmm.
of the 77. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And this is the code, the 7257. 7257 is considered also the 77. And the supporting documents.
Mm-hmm. Now this references Green Eagle Heritage Foundation.
Yeah, that is a Green Eagle Heritage Foundation. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
this is complete. The inventory list,
Okay.
the gold bullion certificate, the general agreement, the certificate of deposit,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
the Lloyd's of London insurance,
Mm-hmm.
packing list,
Okay.
page 1, packing list page 2, packing list page 3, and the LOI of the projects with these funds. Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the IMF certificate of these documents. And this is the microfilm of the 77 accounts, or the UN 00330, the Holy Mother account of all accounts.
And this is the master of account of all accounts. Okay.
And this is the metal plate. Yeah. This is the certificate of entitlement, the mirror. Picture appear on this and is signed by late President Marcos and the First Lady.
Okay.
And this is the metal certificate of the 7,000 metric tons of HSBC London and Hong Kong, signed by 3 bankers here, and the fineness of 999.99,
Okay.
and with a total weight of 330 grams.
Okay.
That was written on the 24K of gold.
And you were looking to implement it how soon, my friend?
I want to implement this as soon as possible for economic recovery of the whole world, especially for the Filipino people in the Philippines. And we will put in a ultraviolet so we can see the original documents, the secret of the original documents. Yeah. This is the back of the documents that you cannot see this letter with your naked eyes. So we will put in ultraviolet to see what is the secret of these documents. If it is genuine, you can see the letters written on the back of the documents. Check and protect with a diamond sign and a star. All these documents is genuine and original. Yeah. And I am very willing to use this for economic recovery of the whole world, especially for the Filipino people, as soon as possible. We want to implement it in a very short time to eliminate the poverty. And we will use this backup for cashless account, so we can eliminate all illegal activities, especially in drugs and all gambling and all criminal cases. Because when there is no funds of cash money, there is no criminal and illegal activities happen, especially in drugs.
Yes.
Okay na.
Okay. Well, very good. Is there anything else that you want to say at the end of this presentation, my friend?
I want this to be implemented as soon as possible for the Filipino people and the indigenous group, for all nations that have, and to support the global recovery activities and to infrastructure of different nations. That's why I'm very willing to return and back to zero all their debts and restructure of loan of all nations. I'm very willing for that.